condo is located just south of the lake, nestled inside Sawmill Creek Resort and Golf Course. As you turn off of Rye Beach Road, head north on Sawmill Drive. Stay to the right when the road splits, and stay to the right of the guard shack. Just past the guard shack, on your left, you'll see the driveway to the condo. Please be sure to only use parking spots reserved for your stay. Use the code provided in the check-in instructions to retrieve the key for the condo, and only use a door handle lock during your stay. Thanks again for choosing us, and please enjoy your stay.